So my little loves, we're doing something a little bit different this evening. We're going to Lost Caverns mini golf and we're going to check it out and see what it's all about. We went to a mini golf when we were here last time and we really enjoyed it. So we're going to check this one out. So we've heard good things about this golf course, so let's head in. I did fail to mention that it does include alligators.
With the new balls?
Yes, okay.
Just don't hit on the last one because we take the ball.
Yes, we'll take them. Yes, I like that. Yeah.
So it's $20 each for 2 courses, so a total of $40, which isn't too bad. They're very different compared to the ones in the UK, a lot more theming and very more interesting, and there is of course gators. So we're gonna have a go and see how we get on. Okay, so we opted to get some souvenir balls. So Sean got a poke ball and I got R2 and 2 drinks. They were $9.
Yeah.
So the front 9 have been played. I am currently in the lead by 2 shots, but it can all go downhill here for me. Obviously this is still the first course. We do have the harder course after this, so we're going to see.
Harder course?
Yeah, harder.
This is hard enough as it is.
I know, there's been waterways and everything, so Lord only knows what's going to happen. We'll keep you up to date. We've now been joined by a little friend. Puss, puss, puss. Come on in, mate. Okay, so the first course I won by 9. And now we're moving on to the second course, which is the search for the golden idol. Apparently this course is a lot harder, so this will be interesting. So we're on the second half of the course. Currently I'm on 30 and Sean is on 31. He's having a stinker.
But look what we have found.
Oh yeah, we still have the mascot. She's still here.
Oh.
So that's us all done. I won both rounds because I'm amazing.
It's just not regulated greens, the clubs weren't right, the balls are lighter than normal balls, so fun. It's fun. You take the win.
But yeah, highly recommend it. It is really good fun. It's something a little bit different. It's on International Drive. It's quite close to the dockside and surfside part of the Universal Resorts.
You and I've done that. It's about 45 minutes for both rounds.
Yeah.
So it's not bad.
Something to do in the evening if you just want to like chill out and cool down after a long day in the parks. So yeah, see you soon.